I'm dating all three Mickeys. Yeah. I'll explain. It makes no sense to me. Hey, what's up, my video? I'm here on track. I don't know why you think I'm bad, but I also date all three Mickeys. Blue Mickey, Red Mickey, and Big Mickey. I swear to God, I'm thinking soon I'm gonna sue Mickey Gang for all of their money and probably end up dead, but then they're getting jumped. We got like hundreds and they only got 5. Mickey Gang, I don't want any beef. I'm sorry. Hey, what's up? I'm that girl from Toy Story. I don't have a name, so yeah, I don't even know why I have no class, but all I know is that you are trash. You are trash at Fortnite, you're trash at GTA, you're trash at everything, boy, you can't even play Call of Duty. Right, you suck, you really, really suck, and all you ever do is make a buck. All you wanna do is make a poopy and a butt and just make some cheese on Louise. Okay, now I'm back, and it's Bear's turn. Bear, hop on the track. Hi, my name is Bear. I've been there since he was 3 or 4, I can't remember, but I am old. So old to the point I don't even have an eye. Her old dog chewed off my eye. Yeah, my name is Bear, so what? I'm a tear. I'ma tear up your whole life, cause I'm Bear. I'ma do my dancey, 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 dance. I ain't got no eyeball, but you don't got a chance. I may not have an eyeball, but I can still see you. If you want me not to see you, I'ma kill you and peekaboo. I look black at night, so I'm coming for you! Hi, my name is Doggo, and I'm super soft. My ears flap everywhere every time I talk. Every time I'm repping the gang's name, I end up on this getting shot at my bird. But tonight